Got hit with the worst smell ever? Skunk spray. Don't panic, this actually works. Seriously, if you've ever had a run-in with a skunk, you know that smell is on a whole other level. It's not just stinky. It's an oily, persistent nightmare that clings to everything. Forget tomato juice, that's a myth that just doesn't cut it. What you need is a real chemical solution to break down the nasty compounds that make skunk spray so powerful. If you've ever dealt with skunk odor on clothes, pets, or even your own skin, this DIY deodorizer is an absolute lifesaver. This isn't just a cover-up, it's a rescue mission for your nose. The secret lies in a chemical reaction that neutralizes the thiols, which are the sulfur-based compounds responsible for that unforgettable stench. The best part is, you probably already have all the ingredients you need right at home. So you can whip this up in an emergency without having to make a frantic trip to the store smelling like you've wrestled a family of skunks. So, here's the magic formula. Get ready to write this down or save this video. You're going to mix 1 quart of 3% hydrogen peroxide, that's the standard stuff you get at any drugstore. To that, add a 1/4 cup of baking soda and about 1 teaspoon of a good grease-cutting dish soap. It's super important to mix these ingredients in an open container, like a bucket, and use it immediately. Do not, under any circumstances, store this mixture in a sealed bottle. The chemical reaction creates oxygen gas, and if it's sealed, the pressure will build up and the container could explode. Safety first, always. Now for the application. Make sure you're wearing gloves to protect your hands. This solution can be a bit harsh on the skin. Carefully work the mixture into the affected area. Whether it's your dog's fur, your favorite jacket, or a spot on your porch, really lather it in and make sure it penetrates deep down. Let it sit for about 5 minutes, but don't let it dry completely, especially on fur, because the peroxide can have a slight bleaching effect. After 5 minutes, rinse the area thoroughly with clean water. If that super stubborn smell is still lingering, you can repeat the process. So, how does it work? It's all about chemistry. The hydrogen peroxide and baking soda work together to oxidize the thiols, transforming them into odorless sulfonic acid. The soap helps break down the oily, water-resistant nature of the spray, allowing the other ingredients to do their job effectively. This breaks down the odor at a molecular level. It doesn't just cover it up with another scent. This is a game changer, so save this video, because skunk season is real, and you'll be so glad you have this when you need it. For more natural home and preparedness tips that actually work, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and stay prepared.